Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set home screen entering animation after unlock. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Dynamic Effects. Here you can see the option of home screen entering animation after unlock. You have to press on this. From here, you can set your home screen entering animation after unlock. You can choose one of them. That's it. After choosing it, you have to press on Apply. So, this is how to set home screen entering animation after unlock in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.